If your Pixel 10 keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, it's usually caused by temporary glitches, unstable signals, or smart features like adaptive connectivity. The good news is that you can fix it with a few quick steps. Start by restarting both your phone and your router. Turn off your Pixel 10, then unplug your router for about 15 seconds before plugging it back in. Once both are back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and see if the issue is gone. Next, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on again. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Quick Settings. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it back on. If your Pixel 10 still keeps dropping the connection, forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then tap Internet. Touch and hold your Wi-Fi name, select Forget, and connect again by entering your password. These quick fixes usually resolve Wi-Fi disconnection problems on Pixel 10 and help restore a stable, uninterrupted connection. If this video helped you fix your Wi-Fi, please give it a like or watch another video for more Pixel 10 solutions.